Happy Mrs. Bird's Day, Paddington!
Oh, my.
Good morning, Paddington!
Good morning. What's going on?
It's Mrs. Bird's Day. It's the day we celebrate Mrs. Bird to thank her for all the things she does for us.
What a wonderful idea. Mrs. Bird has helped me so much since I came to London. I should do something to thank Mrs. Bird too.
Home sweet home.
Happy Mrs. Bird's Day!
Oh, Mrs. Bird's Day. Oh, is that today? Oh, look at this place. You've all gone to so much trouble just for me.
Look, Mrs. Bird.
Oh, such precious memories. Oh, Mr. Brown, your playing is really coming on.
I've learnt 12 extra songs just for today.
Oh, I can't wait to hear them. But I have to say, I'm feeling a wee bit peckish.
If you're feeling hungry, I've got just the thing. I've made something especially for you.
Is that what I think it is? Boiled egg and sardine sandwiches? Why, I haven't had one of these since I was Judy's age. Oh, they were my favourite. Perfect. A wee taste of home.
We all just want to thank you for everything you do for us.
You really are a rare sort of bear.